Hello, my name is Erica MacDonald, and this is my presentation on the importance of sustainable resource management. Enjoy. What is natural resource management? Natural resource management is defined as an interdisciplinary field of study that considers the physical, biological, economic, and social aspects of handling natural resources. Why are they important? Natural resources include oils, gases, minerals, timbers, and various other resources that play a vital role in economies across the globe, as well as provide us with beautiful landscapes and escapes from urban cities. Something as simple as going fishing or going on a hike in the mountains or on a beach are considered a use of natural resources. So, what's the problem? More often than not, natural resources aren't harvested in sustainable manners, which leads to the depletion of natural resources. This can lead to natural calamities that create environmental degradation. This includes loss of fertility, deforestation, loss of wildlife, pollution, and a multitude of other potential natural disasters. Forest degradation and soil erosion. Tropical forests are disappearing at a rate of 13.5 million hectares a year due to timber harvesting and land cleared for agriculture. To put that into perspective, one football field is around 1.0008 hectares. This harvesting of land has led to accelerated erosion of topsoil, which subsequently leads to a decline in crop and livestock yields. 72% of intact Indonesian forests have been lost due to ineffective harvesting techniques. This causes a massive decrease to the population of threatened species such as the Sumatran tigers and orangutans. In Indonesia, the Center for International Forestry Research has worked with the University of Mullah Warman to find a socio-economic and sustainable way to rehabilitate damaged forests. The Bukit Soeharto Education Forest was logged by Inhutani, a forestry company that produces wood products. Inhutani's products range from doors, dressers, to even selling firewood. The Center for International Forestry Research proposed an idea that farmers plant their annual crops parallel to newly planted trees in this devastated forest. This farming technique is known as the Tanja system. The Tanja system was created in 1855 by a German botanist named Brandis to promote teak plantations with small farmers. This practice was later distributed widely throughout the tropics. The Tanja system is effective due to the decrease in soil erosion and the increase in topsoil productivity. The roots from the trees allow the nutrient-rich soil to stay in place and holds more water within the soil so the crops can get everything they need while reducing the risk of landslides. The Center for International Forestry Research suggested that farmers select tree species with high economic value that can grow rapidly in infertile soils. This means that farmers wouldn't have to worry about the tree's growth and health on top of their crops. This project incorporated small farmers due to the fact that they are more likely to sustainably care for their land in comparison to large corporations operating on remote, large estates. Outside of Indonesia, this project was implemented in Japan and Peru in an attempt to bring more awareness to the sustainable types of farming. The goal is for the Tanja system to pick up enough eventually to spread to the majority of smaller farms throughout the tropics. While there are pros and cons to everything, this system runs the risk of spreading epidemics through the vegetation. Other than that, the pros outweigh the cons. In drought-stricken areas, the tree roots can allow more moisture to settle in the soil rather than run off or evaporate. The trees regenerate forest at a cheaper rate, it's a better utilization of land, and it also protects from pests. The Tondra system also allows native species a place to live, which will better the surrounding environment as a whole. In conclusion, it is pivotal that we preserve our natural resources because if we don't, our planet will suffer as a whole. We have to realize that our Earth's resources are finite and we must use them sustainably. Thank you, have a great holiday season, and best of luck on your finals.